Hello, welcome to No Inches DIY. Today I have a beautiful little product from Aldi. It's a 5-watt LED sensor floodlight with its own solar panels and batteries, so it charges itself up. So let's get it out of the box. Screws, the warranty card and instructions. Basically what it is, 3 units of light. You can shine any direction you like. It's got bolts, grub screw type things here. You can aim, shine, and then you can aim that at the sun. Now, last couple of days in Perth we haven't had sun, we've had record rains. But what I'm going to do is take it off. I'm going to jump on my Aldi scaffolding that I bought earlier, and I'm going to jump up there, take that solar panel down, and hopefully fit it onto the same bracket. So I'm just going to jump up, use my super cheap auto sockets, and see what I can do here. Got my super cheap socket set. Hopefully it's a 10mm. I'll get up there, take it down. Alright, bit dodgy, just one bolt in the middle and sort of hanging off bolts on the sides, but I'm going to get some big washers and that should be good enough to secure it quite firmly. Alright, so it's got a bolt going through the middle. The bolts on the side are a slightly different alignment, so I'm just going to clamp these washers down on it and that should hold it very firmly. Alright, that's all secured. Have a look at the dodgy way I did it. One bolt through the middle and just hanging off those big washers on the sides. Should be good enough. Just having a look at the instructions. Apparently there is a on-off button with 2 different modes on the back of the solar panel. So I'm just going to get up, find that switch, turn it on, tighten up all the bolts, and we should be in business. Alright, so that just has a button that's sort of rubber coated. I can't tell if it's on or off. So I suppose I'll leave the scaffold out and we'll come back tonight and find out how well it's working. It's 2 nights after the initial installation. It got a full day of sun on it today, so I think the battery's charged. When I drove in earlier, it did illuminate quite well. So let's go and sneak up on it, see how well it works. So it looks as though it provides a little bit of light, and when you trigger the sensor, it illuminates the whole area. So maybe if I press that button on the back, that option will change, but I'm quite happy with the amount of light it puts out for $25, and the sensor does work really well. Good deal, I think. Let's see how long it lasts, but on the first night it's exceeding my expectations.